What's good, y'all? It's your girl Diva B, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you all about Dossier perfume. So I ordered 2 Dossier perfumes, and let me tell you all, I love these smells, okay? And one thing about me, I love smells in general. Car smells, plug-ins, colognes, like any type of scent, and it smell good. Your girl's all over that, okay? So the first perfume that I ordered was and let me show you all the packaging, matter of fact. They came in these cute little boxes, okay? So the first one that I got was the Fruity Magnolia. And one thing I like about Dossier is they have so many perfumes to choose from. This one smells so good, okay? And one thing about it is the Fruity Magnolia, you can pretty much wear like on a daily basis, because the other perfume that I got, which is the Fruity Jasmine, this is more so like on a grown and sexy type of night, okay? And I'm talking about a real grown and sexy type of night, like a night out and the nightcap the next morning. So, I did get, they were both fruity, but one was more, like I said, for like a grown and sexy type of vibe, and the other one was more so like you can wear on a daily basis, okay? So be sure that you all check out Dossier perfume. Click the link in the description box below, and make sure you all use my discount code to get some money off for your purchase, okay? Thank you all so much. Make sure you all subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos.
Don't touch my hair when it's the feelings I wear. They don't understand what it means to me, but we chose to know where we meant to know. You know this here is my shit, all the power of guitar, but this here is mine.
Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, original Batman. Body nice. See, I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low, say you gonna get me when I'm all low.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Diva B, and I am back with another video. And in today's video, I am servicing my client with super thick knotless braids, okay? So, if you don't know, on my website, I already have literally 5 other knotless sizes to choose from. So, this size right here in this video will be number 6. And I was trying to come up with a name for it to add to my site. And one of my clients actually came up with the name Super Thick Knotless. So, thank you so much, Rabel. And that's what we're going to go with for the name for this size, okay? So make sure you all subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video as well as the rest of my videos. Show your girl some love. Share all my videos. Tell your friend to tell your friend. Tell all your people to come check out all my videos, my tutorials. Come show love and support to the passion that I have on my channel. All right? So, getting right into this video. As y'all already know, I already have a bunch of knotless videos, so I'm not going to be doing all that talking and yada, yada, yada. I want y'all to pretty much get into this video.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue.
look the other way. Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
So, two things. You definitely want to make sure you saturate, and mold your section for each knotless braid, okay? And you also want to apply tension at the root of each section for the knotless braid. Just so that it's for more longevity of the style itself. And I don't mean applying tension that'll cause pain and damage to the clients. I'm not talking about all that. I'm literally talking about applying enough tension so that the braid lasts longer, due to the fact that this is a knotless braid, okay? And that's how my clients, their services, especially knotless, their knotless services last longer because I apply that tension at the root. So once once their hair starts to grow out and everything like that, it'll still have that nice natural growing out like braid, if that makes any sense. Shit, it made sense to me, but
Original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a let them hear what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them let them hear what I want. Say the girl don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try pull me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I tell them, bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Low. I tell them, come in on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. So things them are moving right. And a bad man, they feel alright.
Yo, my client hair came out so fucking pretty. Oh my gosh, yo, them knotless braids be hitting every time. Thank you all so much for watching my video. As always, I love you all so much. Do not forget to thumbs up this video. Comment down below other services you all would like for me to do. And guess what? I have brand ambassadors for my services now. So now I get to do what the fuck I want to do when it comes down to, just trying new shit and and doing that for my YouTube for y'all. So I definitely got y'all, right? I love y'all so much.
Better than all. Bad man, me, I never back down, stop.